Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you Atlas credit card review. But first, check a special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So, if you're trying to rebuild your credit score from scratch here or rescue it from past mistakes, the Atlas credit card is an absolute game changer right now in 2026. Now, it is a premium fintech card designed with an incredibly 95% approval rate, requiring no hard credit checks here to apply and operating at flat 0% APR, so you never have to worry about paying a penny of interest. Now, instead of judging by an old school FICO score here, so Atlas safely links to your existing bank account to establish a safe spending limit that grows alongside your usage. Now, the real magic happens behind the scenes with a feature called Smart Pay. Now, it automatically sweeps funds from your bank account to pay off your balance frequently through the month. Now, this brilliant automation keeps your credit utilization super low and completely eliminates the risk of missed deadline or a surprise late fee. Now, Atlas here then reports these flawless habits to all three major credit bureaus, making it a stress-free way to watch your score climb and on autopilot. Now, unlike boring traditional starter cards here, Atlas actually packs some serious premium punch. Now, you get an instant virtual card for immediate online shopping, up to 10% cashback at massive everyday spots like DoorDash and even like Starbucks, and built-in cell phone protection. Now, the trade-off is that it functions like a tech subscription, costing $8.99 every 4 weeks, or $89 if you pay for the year upfront. Now, you also won't get a physical piece of plastic in the mail until you prove your habits across a specific spending limit threshold. Now, ultimately, if you are comfortable treating that membership fees as a subscription to a better financial future, well, Atlas is a flawless, highly automated tool to rebuild your credit while scooping up some great everyday rewards along the way. And that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.